There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby sing on back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. Yeah. I picked up something else, which I really don't need. But you know what? The thing about owning tools is you don't really need them, but when you get them, you use them. So this was on sale. It's a DEWALT 20 volt DCS373B metal cutting circular saw. Which, now you can see the fucking box. So anyway, let me cut the box open. I've been eyeballing I can use a regular circular saw anyway. But tool only. I think it comes with a blade. See the manual? There you go. There's the manual, right? See. Fancy little doodad. Comes with the saw, cardboard box, and a fucking tiny 5.5 inch. Even cool. Put this in here. Anyway, how the fuck is this blade going? Loosen and tighten. So I guess that goes like that. Don't even come with a fucking wrench. Take the goddamn blade thing out. Let's see. Let me put this on pause. This way I can figure this fucker out. Is there an Allen key in here somewhere? Maybe. There's an Allen key for this. So we will check this out. Hold on to your hats. I'll get right back to you. Hold on. Okay, after 20 minutes of fiddling, I figured out how to lock this goddamn thing. Loosen and tighten. So that's loosen. Now you can see this, but the thing loosens the nut here. They don't even give you a fucking, what do you call it? Blade goes that way. This shit is sharp. Oh, just ruined it. Just kidding. It's a pretty small blade. I guess I'm not buying a big Evolution chop saw anytime soon. Fuck that shit. I'm buying one anyway. Fuck that shit. So yeah, tighten this up here. That is a frog's ass. I don't even know if I have a 20 volt battery in here. In my garage. Not even sure if I have a 20 volt battery. At least one that's charged. But anyway, my first impression is, come on now. At least give a goddamn, what's this in here? To guard against injury, observe the following. Read the instruction manual. Before using, keep hands away from blade. Support work firmly. Check lower guard operation before its use. Blade is dangerous while coasting down. Remove battery pack from tool when changing blades or making adjustments. Save instruction manual. Okay, let's find a battery for this sucker, which I think I have one over there. And we'll just see if she fits. I'm not going to do a full-on test of it because if you hear it crash and scream, it's just me dying on camera. That's all. Alright, I got 2 batteries here. I don't have any big ones at the moment. Oh, there we go. The glasses on. Is that the way it's supposed to be? Cool. Get the right rotation. Yeah, I just opened it. So anyway, Acer and yeah. I want to try it out, but I don't know what the hell to try it on. Let's see. Watch me screw up the blade. Hold on. Alright, Uber. Let's see if we can chop a little piece of metal out of here. Yep, I'm trying to cut a piece of steel pipe. No fucking apparent reason why. tell you the truth, it works really good. It doesn't get hot. It cuts out a lot of chips. The blade works pretty good, and now I got 1,000 little fucking swords here. But hey, works good. I just don't want to bring these home my shoes, get them on my fingers and shit. So yeah, I will do some more testing on this. Thanks for watching and enjoy it.